Welcome to this episode of Fishing for SLAB. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, YouTube? Let's do the Rooster Tail Challenge. Let's see how many bass I can catch with this Rooster Tail. That was some debris, maybe. Like my drag up a little bit. You sink to the bottom. So far, I haven't had much luck with a rooster tail. I caught one bass on the rooster tail. That's it. But hey, one is better than none, right? I want to throw it more because it's a good search bait. Decided to come out this afternoon before the game come on, do a little fishing. I was making a little casting deck for my pond prowler. I done cut out the wood. Now all I need to do is get the carpet. Seen Ollie's, however you say that. They had some outdoor carpet. We'll get that from over there. One of my neighbors, man, that I fish with, he caught a nice sized bass last night. I put it on the split screen. He was calling me by 11 or 12 something. I was knocked out, man. I wasn't coming out. He wanted my scale. He said he was screaming and hollering when he pulled in. Try this way. What's going on the highway? All you hear is sirens. There we go. That's one. There we go. Shut up, you caught, buddy. You caught, buddy. There we go. Ooh. That's one on the rooster kill. Let's go. Nice 1 pound bass. Just let him go. Thanks for biting, buddy. Okay, so that's a successful challenge because I caught one. See if we can catch some more. Not gonna catch nothing with that one. Got a feeling they got another one lurking on this side. Oh, what is that? Some trash. Gotta be some trash. No? Huh? What is that? More vegetation. What?